Hi everybody, I'm Scott Gregg, being joined today by Dr. Patrick Qatsha of the Dream Dental Group in West Bloomfield in Commerce Township, Michigan. Dr. Qatsha, let's talk a little bit about how old kids should be when we as parents take them to see you for the very first time. What are some of the ages?
The current recommendations as to when to bring your child to the dentist for the first time is 1 year of age, which is much different than the old paradigm, which was 3 years of age. So the 1-year-old appointment is basically meant to educate a parent or a new parent on how to care for their child's teeth. It allows the dentist to just take a quick look at the development of the child's dentition, educate the parent on how to clean the teeth, and to discuss diet.
What are some of the most common problems you're seeing in your younger patients?
I see a lot of 3 and 4-year-olds with cavities in between their teeth. If your child has teeth that are very, very close together, you have to make sure you're getting floss between those teeth, because food and bacteria are going to lodge between those teeth, and if you don't clean them out, your 3-year-old's not going to do it either. And basically what's going to happen by the time they get their first set of x-rays, we're going to find a bunch of cavities in between the teeth. It's much easier than it used to be. They have little flossers now on a handle. It looks like a little slingshot. It makes it much easier for you and your child to learn how to floss that child's teeth, because it's so important, especially if your kid has tight teeth. The bristles aren't going to get in there. They're going to get cavities.
Is there anything else we as parents should be doing to help promote our kids' dental health?
You know, if your child is eating fruit, and fruit's very healthy for us, but they're eating a little bit of fruit, snacking for multiple hours at a time, there's sugar and acid in a lot of fruits, they're going to get a cavity. Even though it's a fruit, it's a healthy food item, it can still cause decay in the teeth. So you really have to watch out how often your child's teeth are getting exposed to sugars and acids and that sort of thing.
Okay, that's all the time we have. Dr. Patrick Qatsha of the Dream Dental Group in Commerce Township, Michigan, thanks for joining us to talk about what age our kids should be when they go to the dentist for the first time and some of the problems I guess we as parents should be looking for. Thanks for watching.